Are you someone who spends hours scrolling through Twitter and firing off tweets every day? What if that time could actually put money in your pocket? Twitter isn't just a place to share opinions or stay updated. It can also be a powerful platform for earning income. In this post, we'll break down how you can turn your presence on Twitter into real money. From leveraging your audience to offering services and promoting products, you'll discover 7 practical ways to monetize your activity and tap into the growing world of online income. If you're ready to turn tweets into cash, let's get started. Twitter continues to be a powerful platform for business because of its speed, visibility, and direct access to audiences. Unlike platforms with heavy content filtering, Twitter allows ideas, updates, and offers to spread in real time. This makes it easy for businesses to engage directly with followers, answer questions quickly, and stay relevant in fast-moving conversations. One of Twitter's biggest advantages is its potential for virality. A single tweet can reach thousands or even millions of users through retweets, quote tweets, and replies. Content isn't limited by follower count alone. Posts that resonate emotionally or solve real problems can spread organically across the platform. This creates opportunities for rapid growth and sudden spikes in engagement or revenue, even for smaller accounts. Consistency plays a major role in turning visibility into opportunity. Regularly sharing valuable insights, practical tips, or entertaining content helps build authority over time. As people begin to recognize your expertise or perspective, trust develops naturally. That trust is the foundation of monetization, making followers more likely to engage with your offers, click your links, or support your recommendations. Setting up your Twitter profile correctly is essential if you want to turn attention into revenue. Think of your profile as a storefront. New visitors should instantly understand who you are, what you offer, and why they should follow or click. Start with a clear, SEO-friendly username and bio. Choose a professional handle that reflects your brand or expertise. In your bio, include keywords related to what you do so your profile appears in Twitter searches. Clear positioning helps visitors quickly see the value you provide. Your visuals matter just as much. Use a clean, professional profile photo or logo to build instant credibility. Your header image is prime space. Use it to highlight your main offer, website, or a short tagline that reinforces your brand message. Always include a strategic link. Whether it leads to a landing page, digital product, affiliate offer, or service page, your link should point to your most valuable resource. Make sure the page is mobile-friendly since most users browse Twitter on their phones. Finally, take advantage of the pinned tweet. Use it to showcase your best content, promote a lead magnet, highlight an offer, or share a strong call to action. Because it stays at the top of your profile, a well-crafted pinned tweet can drive consistent traffic and conversions with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to monetize Twitter, but success depends on how thoughtfully it's done. The foundation is choosing high-quality affiliate programs that genuinely fit your niche. Promote products or services your audience already needs or discusses, such as trusted software tools or niche-specific solutions. Avoid low-quality or spammy offers, as they quickly erode trust. Instead of using direct sales pitches, focus on creating value-based tweets. Share tips, insights, tutorials, comparisons, or personal experiences that naturally highlight the benefits of the product. When your content helps people first, affiliate links feel useful rather than promotional. Twitter threads are especially powerful for affiliate marketing. Threads allow you to educate, tell a story, or break down a problem step by step. Placing your affiliate link at the end of a valuable thread increases the likelihood of clicks, as readers are already engaged. This format boosts visibility, engagement, and long-term performance, making it one of the most effective ways to drive affiliate income on Twitter. Selling your own products on Twitter can be highly profitable when you align your offers with what your audience actually wants. Start by listening closely to your followers. Pay attention to their replies, questions, and recurring challenges. Using polls or asking direct questions helps you validate demand before creating anything, ensuring your product solves a real problem. Before launching, build anticipation. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes updates, or countdown posts to spark curiosity. When it's time to launch, use a clear and compelling thread to explain what your product is, who it's for, and how it solves a specific pain point. Including demos, screenshots, or testimonials adds credibility and increases conversions. Integration is key to smooth sales. Make sure your product is easy to find by linking it in your bio, pinned tweet, and promotional posts. Use simple landing pages with strong calls to action, and track clicks and conversions so you can optimize your funnel and increase profits over time. Sponsored tweets can be a lucrative way to monetize your Twitter presence, but they work best when built on trust and authority. Brands are less concerned with follower count and more interested in engagement, credibility, and how well you connect with your audience. Consistently sharing valuable content and interacting with followers strengthens your reputation and attracts potential partnerships. Setting fair rates is an important part of sponsored content. Pricing typically depends on your niche, audience size, and engagement levels. Creators may charge per tweet, per thread, or per campaign. Using engagement metrics or industry benchmarks can help you set reasonable rates, which should increase as your influence grows. Authenticity is key when creating sponsored tweets. Avoid sounding overly promotional or scripted. Instead, explain how you genuinely use or benefit from the product and why it's relevant to your audience. Being transparent about partnerships not only meets disclosure requirements but also builds trust and protects your credibility with followers. Monetizing video content on Twitter opens up another strong income stream, especially as video continues to dominate engagement on the platform. Twitter's video monetization tools allow eligible creators to earn ad revenue based on video views, making audience engagement a key factor in success. To maximize results, focus on short, engaging video clips. Content that educates, inspires, or entertains tends to perform best. Grab attention quickly, deliver value fast, and keep your videos concise. Higher watch time signals quality to the platform, increasing visibility and reach. Repurposing content from other platforms is also an effective strategy. If you already create videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, adapting them for Twitter helps you reach a new audience with minimal extra effort. Just make sure the content feels native, fast-paced, informative, and aligned with what Twitter users expect. Crowdfunding and donations can be an effective way to monetize your Twitter presence, especially if you consistently provide value or build a strong personal connection with your audience. Platforms like Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon make it simple for supporters to contribute financially. Adding these links to your profile or occasionally sharing them in tweets makes it easy for followers to support your work. The key to successful crowdfunding is creating content that inspires people to give. Share your journey, your goals, and the effort behind your work. Tweets that show authenticity, such as behind-the-scenes moments, challenges you've overcome, or what you're building next, help followers feel emotionally invested. When people understand the impact of their support, they're more likely to contribute. Building a strong community is just as important as asking for support. Publicly thanking contributors and acknowledging their help makes supporters feel valued. Highlighting them occasionally encourages loyalty and motivates others to get involved. Over time, this sense of appreciation and connection turns casual followers into dedicated supporters who actively champion your content and mission. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.